This morning we are finally getting a chance to try out the Sasquatch what? This coffee. It's always sold out online, so we're very excited to try it. Okay, just tasting it black. It's good. It is good. I see why. That's good. It almost tastes like, I don't know if I can say that, but it tastes good. Ever see me drinking black coffee, just shoot me a little message. Are you okay? Because that's when I'm trying to get stuff done. That's when I feel like I've got lots of work to do and it needs to happen today. But if I'm just enjoying a simple, Now, if I don't have any milk and creamer, of course, I'll drink it because caffeine addiction needs to be talked about more in America. But if I'm just having like a nice fun drink to start my day, it might have been a little too much. I doctor it up and make it so pretty. Because why not start my morning with pounds of sugar? Delicious.